Hello YouTube, my name is Shruti and you're watching Tickle Me Pink. So like a lot of you, I'm sure, I'm also a huge fan of Alia Bhatt and her sense of style. I think her sense of style is super simple, it's very effortless and it's completely recreatable. In fact, in all of her movies, like whether it was Student of the Year or now Badrinath Ki Dulhania, in each of her movies, there has been at least one or two looks that I have considered really cool and also quite simple to recreate. So today's video is going to be an Alia Bhatt inspired lookbook. But rather than taking like one of her movies and recreating all of her looks from that particular movie, I'm going to be taking all of her movies chronologically from Student of the Year to Badrinath Ki Dulhania. And I'm going to be recreating one look from each movie that is my personal favorite. This video was a lot of fun to shoot and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, then please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media so that you will be updated with my video upload schedule. And now, let's get started. So Alia Bhatt's look in Student of the Year is very prep school Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl-like. But it's also very easy to recreate. All you need is a beige jacket, some formal shorts and a lace top, of course the Blair headband, some wedges and a pop of orange to bring it all together. Now this is my favorite look from two states. I mean, we've all worn kurtas with jeans, but to wear them with shorts, I think takes the Indo-Western look to a completely different level. Especially when you style it with a backpack, some wedges and ethnic jewelry. A pro tip though, remember to tuck your kurta into your shorts so that it doesn't become longer than them and you'll be good to go. So this look is super easy to recreate. Just throw a shirt over a dress. But for me, I think tying it up like this makes it look a lot more stylish because it highlights the cut of my dress a lot better. Then all I did is paired it with some ballerinas and that's about it. It's as simple as that, yet still fashionable. And now on to an overalls look. I mean, seriously guys, 90s fashion is back and here to stay. What I love about this look is just how comfortable it is. I mean, from the overalls to the tank top to even the shoes, everything about this look is just fun and comfortable. I love that the overalls are baggy and distressed, and to wear it with a tank top just makes it perfect in this heat. Okay, so this is my favorite Alia Bhatt look ever. Like, not just from Dear Zindagi, but from all her movies. I think this look is super trendy and I love like the flowiness of this look. Right from the flowy spaghetti top to the kimono. I also love how the distressed shorts look with this. Then I just carried a brown sling bag, wore this owl necklace and some flip-flops because no beach look is complete without flip-flops. And this last look from Badrinath Ki Dulhania also has this edgy Indo-Western vibe, especially because of the pom-pom chappals. And the thing about this outfit is that it is super affordable. The denim vest is from Sarojini Nagar, the chappals are from Hill Road and the dress is from a local shop in Bandra. So overall, a look that is stylish, affordable and totally recreatable.